We have reached section 3, number 41. The marked price of a television is $1,200, $1,200. A discount of 10% is given during a sale. VAT at 12.5% has to be added to the discounted price. How much would a customer pay for the television during the sale? Okay, so we're going to highlight some important pieces of information. The marked price, what does that mean? That simply means that you go to the store and you see a price tag, the marked price, the price marked on it. So the marked price of a television is 1,200. Very easy to understand. A discount of 10% is given during a sale. A discount, that means that you are not actually paying the $1,200. You're getting something off. You're getting some money off the $1,200. How much off? 10% off, and that is OFF. 10% taken away from the price. So that is given during the sale. Then we talk about VAT. Let's come to the VAT later. If you are given 10% off the price, first you can find out how much is 10% off 1,200. Now there is more than one, or there are more than one. There is or there are, boy. There is more than one way to do it. So we're going to find 10% of 1,200. 10 over 100, that's 10% times 1,200. Two zeros cancel with two zeros. Then you have 10 by 12, 12 by 10, same thing, equals 120. So this 120 is not how much you pay for the television. It is how much you are getting off. Taking that off the price. How much was the price? $1,200. Take away $120. Zero take away zero, zero. Zero take away two cannot. Zero group. 10 take away 2, 8. 1 take away 1, 0. 1 take away nothing. You can always fill up the space with a 0. 1 take away 0, 1. So with $120 being taken away from the price, $120 being taken away from the price, as we did here, you wind up with $1,080. Okay? Now, let's continue. We stop right here. Let's continue. VAT at 12%, VAT at 12% has to be added to the discounted price. What is the discounted price? The price after the discount, which is how much? This is the price after the discount, 1,080. So 12.5% has to be added to the discounted price, not taken away. It's VAT, it's a tax, it's added. So persons who have been learning their tables, fraction, decimal, percentage, from the time they see 12.5%, they know how much 12.5% is as a fraction, right? And that is 1/8. So we work now. We find out 1/8 of 1,080. And when we get that answer, we're going to add it to that 1,080, not subtract it. Okay? So 8 into 8, 1. 8 into 10, 1. Remainder 2. 8 into 24, 3. Remainder 4. And then we have 8 into 40, 5. Right? So we have $135 VAT to be added to the discounted price. So we add now discounted price. Always good to put some words. Don't have to spell out the whole word. 1080. That 135. Add 0 plus 5, 5. 8 plus 3, 11. 0 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus nothing. Remember, you can always fill in there as 0. 1. $1,215. Right. Charlie was given 4 numbers in the box below. He was first told to subtract the smallest number from the largest number. Then he was told to subtract the smallest odd number from the largest even number. What is the sum of the answers he got? So let's divide this into two parts. Right? We will stop here. We're behaving stubborn, so right, we'll stop there and then continue. So Charlie was given the 4 numbers in the box below. We can see them: 6,843, 8,623, 6,428, 8,264. He was first told to subtract the smallest number from the largest number. Which is the smallest number? First one has 6,000, second one has 8,000, third one has 6,000, fourth one has 8,000. All right, it will have to be one that has 6,000. That is the smallest. So let's look at both of them. 6,000, 6,000. Hey, 6,843, 6,428. This one has 6,000, this one has 6,000. They both have 6,000. So let's look at the hundreds digit. One is saying 800, the other one is saying 400. So if we're looking for the smallest digit, it will be 6,428. That's smallest. And the largest will be, okay, let's look at these two numbers now. Come on. They both start with 8,000. So let's look at the hundreds. The first one is saying 600, the second one is saying 200. So this one is the largest. Right? Smallest was which one again? 64. Right. So here we go. We have to take away the smallest number from the largest number. 8,623. Largest. 3 take away 8 cannot. We regroup. 13 take away 8. 5. 1 take away 2 cannot. So we regroup. 11 take away 2, 9. 5 take away 4, 1. 8 take away 6, 2. So that's that. Let's continue to the next part of the question now. Hey, rub, 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 rub. Then he was told to subtract the smallest odd number from the largest even number. All right. Which of these numbers are odd? This is odd. 6,843 is odd. Why is it? It ends with a 3. Odd numbers end in 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. This number is also odd. The other two are even. Even numbers end in 2, 4, 6, 8. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, rather. So they said the smallest odd number, and with these two here, obviously the smallest one is the one in the 6,000. So we're subtracting that 6,843 from something. From what again? From the largest even number. Why am I stuttering? Even number. We have two numbers that are even. The largest one is definitely the one, the 8,000. So 8,264 minus 6,843. 3 4 take away 3, 1, 6 take away 4, 2, 2 take away 8 cannot, regroup, 12 take away 8, 4, 7 take away 6, 1. Alright, so this is the answer we got when we took away the, what was it again? The smallest number from the largest number. And this is the answer that we got when we take away the smallest odd number from the largest even number. And the question is, what is the sum of the answers he got? So sum means to add. So we add now 2195 to 1421. 5 plus 1, 6. 9 plus 2, 11. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 1, 6. 2 plus 1, 3. 3,616. Somehow that answer looking strange. I hope I didn't do anything wrong. Number 43. A bottle had 1 liter of medicine. A doctor poured 2/5 of the medicine into a smaller bottle and gave it to a patient. The patient was told to drink 5 milliliters of the medicine 4 times a day until the medicine was finished. How many days did the patient take the medicine if all the medicine was used? So the bottle had 1 liter of medicine. 1 liter. 1 liter equals what? 1,000. That's 100 milliliters. The doctor poured 2/3 of the medicine into a smaller bottle. So here's my smaller bottle. I won't quit my day job. All right. So 2/5 of this. Let's find out how much is 2/5 of 1,000. 5 into 5, 1. 5 into 10, 2. Bring up the 2 zeros. 200 times 2 equals 400. So that's 400 milliliters poured into the smaller bottle. What is the patient doing? Drinking 5 milliliters 4 times a day. So the first time 5, second time 5, third time 5, fourth time 5. All that's 20 milliliters a day. So if the patient uses 20 milliliters a day and has 400 milliliters to use up, we need to see how many 20s there are in 400. Because of the zeros, we will divide like this. 400 over 20. Yes, this is another way to divide. 0 cancels 0. Now we just have 2 into 40. 2 into 2, 1. 2 into 4, 2. So it's 20 days. All right. Number 44. Use the dots on the grid below to draw a quadrilateral. What is meant by a quadrilateral? Four-sided figure. Four-sided polygon. All right, no curved sides, no broken sides, all sides joined. With 2 right angles. What's a right angle? A quarter turn, 90 degrees, looks like a square corner. 1 angle less than a right angle, and 1 angle greater than a right angle. So let me see if I can remember. I tried to do the questions before I did the video this time. I want to buy more Nutella. Alright, so 2 right angles. What did I do again to get my 2 right angles? I think I did this and this. Great. I have 4 sides. Yes, it's a quadrilateral. The sides are straight, the figure is closed. So when it comes to quadrilateral, give me a tick. 2 right angles, square corners, yes. 1 right angle, 1 other right angle. I have that. One angle less than a right angle. Oh, look at how cute this angle is here. Think of it as a Pac-Man mouth. That is an angle smaller than a right angle. And look at this wide mouth here. Ah, yes, this is greater than a right angle. And what did they say to do with them? Label the right angles A, A. Label the angle less than a right angle B, and label the angle greater than a right angle C. Crick crack, monkey baby back in a hamster for a piece of bum. The story ends. Where is 43? Where is 43? I mean, that's 43, 45. What nonsense is this? Where's 45? I did not include 45. What nonsense is this? Okay, so I guess I have to make a video for 45. I'm going to post this for people who don't want to endure the entire video. I can just post the print. Well, I guess if you're hearing this, you might have endured or you might have skipped, right? Did I put the answer for this one? I can't remember if it was in the previous video. Number 32, that is. Because I did do it. Alright. So children, I hope you have fun learning as I have fun teaching you. Bye-bye.